Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBDA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I wanted to do this one because it had a very interesting day, and I know lots of people still follow this one, and I've had some questions and stuff on it. Today was not very favorable, but it ended up closing somewhat favorable. I know that's confusing, but it's kind of confusing to explain here, so we'll just go through the chart and hopefully you see what I mean. These annotations here are from the last time I did the video, so if you want to see where they came from, just simply go back and look through the video archives and you can see where all these derived from. But what I wanted to first do is just extend this, and this was the key level of support I talked about last time, and this level is based at 45 or 0.0045, and that's right where it closed today. So, but on the flip side of things, you can see here that for a portion of the day, the price dropped all the way down as low as 0.004. But on the flip side of things, the bulls were able to push back up and close right at this support. So it technically hasn't closed below it, which is a good sign, but it's never necessarily a good sign to see the price having dropped so far below it. So I know that sounds confusing, but case in point, I know intraday it wasn't a very good day, but by the time the closing bell came around, you do have this very nice doji candle, hammer candle, whatever you want to call it, that's suggesting a potential move upwards. Of course, there's still work to be done and needs confirmation for that, but I guess the best thing to do is just to look back through prior history, and you can see here a nice doji candle, not quite the same as that, and that was followed obviously by a nice move. Now, am I saying that this is guaranteed to happen? That's not what I'm saying. There are no guarantees in the stock market. If there were, we would all be billionaires. But just looking at history, you can see that nice doji candle followed by a nice word move. So, again, is this for sure going to happen? I don't know about that, but I would say it's within the realm of possibilities just because of the candle that was formed, and when you see all this volume, almost like this was some sort of capitulation day from whatever had been knocking the price down. Maybe that selling force is now gone and the price can move up easier. Again, that's speculation on my part, just simply by looking at the candlestick and volume. But when you combine those two, it's at least logical that whatever that selling force is, that was kind of their last gasp here, and then when they were finally out, you can see the price was able to move much easier back upward. So probably the best way to put it is let's just see what the rest of this week brings. But it is nice that it was able to still close right up here at this key level of support, and we'll see if they can gain some upwards momentum going into next week. If it does, public enemy number one is going to be right here at 0.0049, which is that purple line, the 50-day simple moving average, and then really after that, nothing until up here at this previous level of resistance that we talked about at 0.0055. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I encourage you to check out our newsletter up there, and when you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a strategy to put profits in your pockets and make an investment into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening.